doing? Hi. What do you have? Where are you going? To Abby. That is Abby. You're right. Say hi, Abby. Oh, you giving her a hug? Yeah. Say hi, Abby. Oh, Abby's giving you a kiss. Say bye-bye, doggy. Here she goes. What are you doing? Kaboom. You gonna grab your new purse? No, what do you want? Blocks. Put them back. You better pick them up. You better put them back. Oh, good girl. Can you put the other ones back? Get the green one and the red one. Put them back in your box. Put them back. Oh, so good, Emma. I'll get that other green one. Put it back.